The third part of the Lean Canvas is value proposition. This refers to the unique benefits and value that your business offers to its customers. By understanding your value proposition, you can better communicate the value of your product or service to potential customers. The unique value proposition is a clear and compelling statement that explains what makes your product or service unique and valuable to your customers. It's essentially your elevator pitch, but shorter and more concise. It should answer the question, why should a customer choose your product or service over your competitors? So, how do you create a strong, unique value proposition? Well, first, it's important to understand your customers' needs, pain points, and goals. What problems are they trying to solve? How can your product or service help them? Once you have a clear understanding of your customer, you can draft a unique value proposition that speaks directly to their needs and addresses their pain points. Now it's time for you to create your own unique value proposition. And what I want you to focus on today is to adapt the message to your early adopters. Try to use their words. What is something they could have said about your business? Focus on the perceived condition after using your product and not on product features. And lastly, if possible, try to quantify the benefit. For example, if you could do it 3 times faster or cheaper.